Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. Whether you're cleaning up old campaigns or removing underperforming ones, this process will help you keep your account organized and focused on what matters most. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising activities. From here, take a look at the left navigation bar where you'll find several menu options. Locate the Campaigns menu and click on it. This is where all your campaign management tools are housed, and it's the starting point for making any changes to your existing campaigns. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options, and you'll be automatically directed to the campaign overview page. This page gives you a snapshot of your campaign performance and activity. From the expanded menu that appears, look for the Campaigns option and click on it again. This will take you deeper into the campaign management section where you can view and modify individual campaigns. Now you'll see a comprehensive list of all the campaigns you've created displayed with their different statuses, such as active, paused, or removed. This is where you'll identify which campaign you want to delete. Locate the campaign you wish to remove from this list. To select it, click on the checkbox that appears next to the campaign name. Make sure you've selected the correct campaign before proceeding, as this action will affect your advertising efforts. After selecting the campaign, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the Edit header. Click on it, and a drop-down menu with various options will appear. From this menu, locate the Remove option and click on it. This action will remove the campaign from your active roster and mark it as inactive. The campaign won't be deleted permanently right away, but it will no longer run or incur any charges. It'll be moved to a removed status where you can still access historical data if needed. And that's it. You've successfully removed a campaign from your Google Ads account, helping you maintain a cleaner, more efficient advertising setup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.